Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up the Verizon WiFi Extender CE1000A first. Plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet next to your Verizon Internet gateway. Wait until the extender shows a solid white light. This means it is ready to pair. Now press and hold the WPS button on the Wi-Fi Extender CE1000A for about 3 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the pair button on your Verizon Internet gateway. Both devices will blink blue while they are pairing. If there is an error, the extender's status light slowly flashes red for about 2 minutes. If this happens, wait and try the pairing process again. When the extender shows a solid white light or a blinking yellow light, the pairing is complete. Next, unplug the extender and move it to a location between the Verizon Internet gateway and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it into a power outlet and check the light. If the light blinks yellow quickly, move the extender closer to the gateway. If the light blinks yellow slowly, move it farther away. The goal is to find a location where the extender can receive a strong signal from the gateway while still improving coverage in the weak Wi-Fi area. When the LED indicator turns solid white, your Verizon Wi-Fi extender setup is complete. Thanks for watching.